Writing tip of the day. So one of the really important things is to be consistent overall in what you write. But right now I want to actually zone in on the consistent tone. Now, it doesn't mean that the protagonist can't have different moods or feelings or emotions or experiences during their story, but the consistent tone of the overall story is what you really want to kind of keep your focus and attention on. So with this, it could be a humor, a rom-com, it could be dark and kind of sad. Whatever that tone is, then you want to try to be consistent in your writing style throughout. Now, like I said, the other experiences will go up and down or alter somehow, but that's okay. And it's supposed to. You don't want it to be like emotionless, except for that one feeling. But your tone of your writing style should be as consistent as possible so that your reader can just go into auto mode and enjoy the journey with you.